Oops. Oh, careful. Gentle, David. You're being ever so brave. Oh, there goes the cat. You gonna chase it? You're gonna chase it with the chair. I love it. So this cat is definitely not Rita. He definitely seems to like David a whole lot. Hi, Puss Puss. You gonna come up here? Kitty, 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 kitty. Yeah, there's something happened to her ear. I don't know if something happened to her ear or if that's the way. I don't know if she came out that way or what's going on. But hi. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You're a good girl or boy. Well, actually, I think all calicos are female. What I can't believe is how brave David's being. Yeah? You gonna see if that cat will eat? Oh, there she goes. It's okay. You say cat? Cat? Yeah, it's okay. You don't need to crawl me. You've been chasing her all this time. You don't need to crawl on me. It's okay, Boba. See, she's eating. Can you say eat? Eating? Yeah, it's a hungry kitty. Huh? I haven't seen him this close to a cat since we had Sebastian. What do you want, David? Say I. I want. You want strawberry? That's right. That's how you say strawberry. You're supposed to ask before you take, but I guess since you said it, then you're okay. It's okay. She's not going to hurt you. She likes you, David. You think she might belong to somebody, but she certainly likes you. Yeah. You're not Rita, but you're certainly a nice cat. There you go. Brushing up against you, that means she likes you. Oh, yeah, I'm going to take a hold of your bear there for a minute and try to get your bear-ings. David, say cat. David, look at mommy. Cat? Cat? Can you sign cat? There's the kitty. Oh, there's a big fluffy tail. Yeah, you're ever so brave, David. Yeah. Ever so brave with the cat. David, can you say hi? Look at the camera and say hi. No, you're just going to chill on the couch. Oh, there she comes. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. You got a fluffy tail there? Yeah? Yeah, it's okay. You're so brave. You're probably getting sleepy, though. I'm going to put you to bed soon. David, look at the camera. Say bye. Say bye-bye, camera. That's Mr. Big Bear. And here she comes again. Oh, she's on the table. She's not supposed to be there, but that's okay. And David's like, someplace else I gotta be. Well, maybe I can hang out. Not too sure about this whole cat thing, but, we're getting there. David, say meow. 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 That is just too precious. Okay, that's all for now.